a floating enigma has arrived. A remarkable makeshift houseboat, christened Neverlanding and hailing from Windsor, Ontario, has captured the attention of onlookers at the Lexington State Harbor in Michigan. This unique vessel was spotted on November 25, 2025, sparking curiosity and conversation. Richard Laframboise, the proprietor of the Windjammer Bar and Grill, mentioned the possibility of the houseboat's owner and captain visiting his establishment on Monday evening. This detail adds a personal touch to the story, hinting at the human element behind this unusual craft. Neverlanding presents an intriguing spectacle. While anchored, it's equipped with various features. The roof's rear section might be adorned with solar panels, although it's difficult to confirm from the available images. This raises a question. Is this a sustainable, off-grid living space? The front of the houseboat is outfitted with a jet ski, a rubber dinghy, and a rowboat or duckboat. At least one outboard motor is visible, hinting at the vessel's propulsion capabilities. Adding a touch of whimsy, the houseboat is also decorated with a couple of owl statuettes perched atop. This blend of practicality and personality is what makes Neverlanding so captivating. Local resident David Vogman was among those drawn to the Lexington State Harbor, not only to witness the salmon spawning, but also to catch a glimpse of Neverlanding. It seems this unusual vessel has become a local attraction. What are your thoughts on Neverlanding? Do you see it as an innovative feat of engineering, a quirky escape, or something else entirely? Share your opinions in the comments below.